assembly will be the last remote assembly, as hopefully the students and teachers will be having assembly in the auditorium in the near future. This week's assembly includes birthdays, some new students, and 1J has been sharing some ideas about what World Smile Day means to them, what makes them happy, and they've made some pictures using ChatterPix. Enjoy! Joining Windhoek International School this week are Dana in 1D, coming from Namibia, Naomi in EY2, who comes from Ethiopia, and Maya in EY2 and Cuba in 1D, who come from Cuba and Poland. We wish you all the best. Hope that you are already making some new friends and settling in well at WIS. Let's give them a warm welcome. 1, 2, 3, whoosh.
What makes me happy is when my family plays games with each other and when we all have fun.
Something makes me laugh if somebody makes jokes.
What makes me happy is people making me laugh. I like something makes me smile. It's my dog when he is like doing something funny, I laugh.
What makes me happy is smiley faces so much. I like smiley faces because I like them.
What makes me happy is seeing something funny.
I'm happy when everything is fine.
Hi, funny jokes makes me laugh. Bye.
Hi, my name is Lily, and watermelons make me happy and strawberry.
What makes me happy is jets and they go super speed. They're very awesome and they are very, 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 very fast.
I like to eat cupcakes and drink water because it's healthy. And I have to go to my baby chicks. They're so cute.
Hi, what makes me laugh is my little brother, and when the octopus movie in the end, the octopus plays with the fish.
This concludes our assembly for this week. And as an aside, I'd just like to say congratulations to all the students for the job well done with the hybrid schedule and knowing how to social distance and keeping mindful of wearing masks and sanitizing. You've done a fantastic job, and I'm very proud of you. Have a wonderful break, and we'll see you on October 19th when we're all back together on campus for a full day of school.